Hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the process flow. So what is meant by process flow? So process flow just on screen, it is looking like this. It's a new, in progress, on hold, resolved, closed, cancelled. So what is all kind of things? So these are the process where we are, the stage. We can call as a process or stage, whatever it may be. So where we are, the record or whatever may be. For example, if I write to take as an example an incident. So where is the incident position? So where it is a new or in progress or any is a closed condition or resolved condition. So where is that? So everything in a graphically it can be shown on the above of a form. So that kind of the situation, that kind of the scenario, I'm ready to create one process flow. So how to create the process flow? Now I'll explain. So here now I'll go to the personal developer instance. This is my PDI, personal developer instance. Now so I want to show first of all table. So which table I'm ready to create this process flow in on which area and which form I want to create it. So first of all, I'll go to the table. So batch yite. So that is my table. So simply I'll click on that batch yite. So when I click on that batch yite, you can see that all the list of the records are present on screen. So once if I ready to take any record, just simply I'm ready to just click on one record. So then how it should be that the number is there, name is there, joining date, email, qualification, attendance, comments, all kind of fields are there. But so this is where is the position? I didn't get any kind of information about this. So that's why I want to create one field first of all. How to create the field? You already know that. So right click on that. So configure, and if I ready to go for the table, I want to create one field, and that too it is a status field. So what kind of status it will be? Okay. So I want to create one field. So name as a status. So status. So then it is a choice field. So then I will give that this is the choice field. What is that choice? So click on that choice field. Okay. So then simply you can save it. So then after that, I will give you options. So choices, I will give that. Okay. Where it will be. Yeah. Qualification status. Yeah, got it. So status. So then simply I want to just click on the status. I want to add some choice list. Okay. Now in a dictionary entry, I want to add some choices. What kind of the choices? So this form is this is a batch. Batch is nothing but students information, right? So in a choices, I want to give that first of all, I want to give a new. Okay. So new, and then value is also give as a new. So language is okay, and sequence is a one. So sequence is nothing but so in a order like a first, second, third, like that. So then next one is joining in progress. So joining in progress. So the backend value joining, and sequence is to right. Then next mm, joined. Wait, that is joined. So this third one rejected. So our wish, we can ready to take any kind of so choices. Rejected. Okay, then it's a fourth one. Yeah. So next last one is closed. Closed. So closed. Fifth one, and the next one cancelled. So whatever, maybe just I given few options I given. cancelled. So right. So now I created the choices. Simply I'll update it. When I'll update this one, just I'll go to the form again, show form. Okay, not for the layout. Just a minute. I'll click on that show form. Yeah. Now I'll click on show form. Yes, the form has to show. See where is the status. So right. So the status is look like this. If I ready to just change that status is in some area and in a two columns configuration, if I want to change, you can go for that configuration. And in the configuration, you can see, okay, I think it will open. Yeah. So I want to create the form design. I want to change the designing of that form. Simply just I drag and drop methodology. I want to just drag and I'll drop it here. So then save. If I ready to click on that save, then enough. That's all. If I refresh it, you can check it once. Yeah, status is given as a new, joining in progress, joined, rejected, closed, cancelled. So these are the status about the form. Okay. Now, how we can show that representation as a graphically? How to show that? So graphical representation. Now, for that situation, I'll go to that flow formatter. Okay. So flow formatter. Otherwise, you can click on that process flow. See, so system UI, the process flow is there. So simply you just click on that process flow. So right. So this flow formatted table has to open. All the records will be ready to show in front of us. So then simply click on the new. If I ready to click on the new, then a new form has to open to create a so flow formatter like a process flow. Both are same. So now here the table is a batch EI. If I ready to take as a batch EI, so table name I given as a batch EI, and what kind of the name? Name means how many options are there in that. New is there, joining in progress is there. Just first of all, I want to select it, then only I'll write here. Just see here. So click on that. Which one status? Now status. Now the status is now new. Then same name I given here. So new. That's it. And label is also new. How it should be? It's a order means starting. It's a in a order wise means it's the first one, second one like this. So same as order means here I've given as 100. Okay now. Now everything is fine. Then simply you can click on right click here and save. That's it. Okay. So that one record has saved with a new. Okay, so next one is same thing on same table, same information, everything is same, but the name and label and so order has to change. So how to change it and how to save it in instead of this form. So new after joining in progress is there. Here that joining in progress. Okay, so joining in progress and here the joining in progress. Okay, so the order is say 200. Okay, 200 is nothing but second position, right? So how to change, how to save it? So simply you can just right click on it here and then simply you can insert and stay. If you don't want to, if you click that save, then automatically what will happen means that initial record has to replace with this information. So that's why you can just insert and stay, you can click on it. So both records are saved. So in individually, so it can be ready to create and it can be ready to appear. So then next one after condition of completion of this one joined. So here the joined we can write it here. So join. So order is 300. So then Yes, right click on it, insert and stay. So then after completion of this one, we'll go with that. Joined after rejected. Here the rejected. So rejected. So 400. Yes. Right click on it and insert and stay. Okay. So then next one, if you go with that, another one is reject after cancel is there. So cancel. So cancel here. So 500 and oh, I think closed, not for the cancel, sorry, closed. So closed is a 500 and then it's a insert and stay. Then finally it's a cancel. So the finally it's a cancel is there. Then I return. So cancel. Sorry. Yeah, cancel and that position is a 600. Okay. Right. So here the now I just insert and stay. That's it. So it was closed. So now we'll go with the table. So where I return the table. So where the table is there, the batch 8. So the batch 8 table is there. Just simply I'll click on that and I'll open one record or otherwise new record. So click on the new and simply I want to click on that on header menu, just on header, just I'll click on that, right click on it and simply go for the form design or otherwise form layout, whatever maybe, just I'll go to the form design. It's a graphically representation of that drag and drop methodology. So we can easy to just create some. See, now the process flow is appear left side of this. See format is okay. So in that simply just I'll go and ready to keep it here. Process flow is there. Now I'll save it once. I want to see whether it is looks or not. Simply I'll refresh it. See the bottom it is showing, but I don't want to use this bottom. I want to see that above, right? So that's why I want to create a one section, that is the first one section, and the section name I remove and simply just I drop this I'm drawing this information. So when I'll click to the first, I'll just drag into the starting point, simply just clicking on it and save. That's it. So where it will be, it was jumped, right? Once again I will do that because sometimes it is not seen. Now the process flow is here. I want to get dragging here to this area and just I want to do with that. So again I'll save it, check it once. So again it became it coming to the bottom. Yeah, sure. 1 minute again. So in the new section, the position I changed again. Let's check it now. No, it's not coming. Where it will be? Yeah. First of all, I want to move this one. I'll check it once. So it's coming down. Hmm. I'll go first one. Yeah. Okay. So we will go back. So number, everything, I will make it here. I'll keep it down. Joining date. Okay. Status. So name, email, and qualification and attendance. I'll keep it here and this will make it as a single column. So now I'll check it once whether it will come down. Now it will be as it is. So, but I remove this new section. Again, I will save it. Okay, now we'll check this. Good. So now that it is showing as a new joining in progress, joined, rejected, closed. Now I'll change sections like a status. I want to change one by one. Just simply I want to status is a new and I'll keep it as a save. So I'll click on save. Then automatically the new button has to make it as a tick. Okay, the next one, joining in progress. If I ready to save it again, so here that the new has completed. It is just showing as a right mark, like a tick mark. It is showing. So then, so joining in progress has to present here, and the next one, join means as it is. So joining in progress and new both has completed the stages, and now the stage is joined stage. So like this. See, this kind of the situations, everything we are ready to show graphically on the form. So that is called as a process flow. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more information.